this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Telegram app from your smartphone. If you no longer need Telegram app on your phone, the best thing to do is to uninstall it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To uninstall Telegram app, just find your app on your phone. So I'll just swipe my phone and find the app here. Then all you need to do is to long press on your app, and you should see we have an option to uninstall it from here. If you don't have this option to uninstall, you should have this option for app info or even a settings gear. If you tap on it, it will take you to the app info page, and from here you can see we have an option to uninstall it from here. So I'll use the first method. I'll just go to the app, long press on it and tap on uninstall, then confirm that indeed I want to uninstall. You are asked if you want to uninstall Telegram. You're told uninstalling will remove all app data. Now to confirm, just tap on uninstall, and that is it. Your app will have been removed from your phone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Telegram app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.